Hey, how are you? Father Romeo, India, Echo, November, Delta, Sierra. Shocked? I just said, how are you, friends? I spelled friends using phonetics. So today I've come up with a wonderful session on international phonetics. Okay? Now watch this video till the end. I can guarantee the worth of this 5 to 10 minutes you are going to spend on this video. This is going to be especially beneficial for the youngsters who are planning their career in airlines, tourism industry, or planning to do ITA course. Okay. So we all know the 26 English alphabets, A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, and so on. But have you ever wondered that there is an international and professional way also of defining these 26 alphabets? I'll tell you. You must have noticed. See, if I have to spell out a word on phone, right, there'll be a hell lot of confusions between M and N, B and D, B and P, D and T, F and S, because these alphabets sound so similar, right? So to avoid this confusion, these international phonetics were developed by ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization. And so these are known as ICAO alphabets. They are also known as NATO phonetics, right? So in this system, each alphabet is given a distinct name that would most easily be understood worldwide, irrespective of your language, pronunciation, and other barriers. Understood? These are very useful, especially in voice messages, as I told you. Because if we are speaking on phone, we cannot identify, till we see the lip movement, we cannot identify whether it was M or N, B or D, right? Say, for example, if I have to spell India, right? So, if I say I-N, it might sound I-M. I-N-D might sound like I-N-B, correct? So, instead of spelling it out in a stereotypical manner, I will use phonetics to spell it for better understanding, right? So, for India, I as in India, N as in November, D as in Delta, I as in India, A as in Alpha. I've spelled India using phonetics. Similarly, if I have to spell out Varsha, so using phonetics, I spell it out as Victory Alpha Romeo, Sierra Hotel Alpha. I have spelled Varsha. Isn't it interesting? So these phonetics are very popular in aviation industry, airlines. So I'll detail you all the 26 alphabets in phonetics. If you want, you can note it down, or you can go forward and backwards to learn these phonetics. A as in alpha, B as in Bravo, C as in Charlie, D Delta, E Echo, F Foxtrot or Father, G Golf, H Hotel, I India or Indigo, J Juliet, K Kilo, M Mike, N November, O Oxford or Oscar, P Papa, Q Quebec, R Romeo, S Sierra, T Tango, U Uniform, V Victory, W Whiskey, X X-ray or Xmas, Y Yankee, Z Zulu. So these are the 26 alphabets. Okay. If I had to use phonetics in one go, I'll say Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, India, Juliet, Kilo, Lima, Mike, November, Oxford, Papa, Quebec, Romeo, Sierra, Tango, Uniform, Victory, Whiskey, X-ray, Yankee, Zulu. Understood? So each word is assigned to an alphabet, and this is assigned. This is prevalent internationally, so there will never be any confusion, right? But let me be honest. You have to learn these phonetics exactly the way you have learned alphabets during your kindergarten. Okay, so refresh your memories of kindergarten while learning these phonetics. So friends, next time, instead of spelling out a word in the stereotypical manner like A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, try using these phonetics. I guarantee you will sound more professional. You will sound more impressive. Got it? Next time, I'll try to come up with numbers as phonetics. Okay? So till then, enjoy your life with your near and dear ones. Keep learning. Bye-bye.
I believe I can fly.